it's obvious that water was intruding here and collecting at the bottom. So this area is heavily corroded inside. Hello everybody and welcome to day 70 of my Jaguar restoration project, the car rebuild series on this S-Type 4.2 V8 Sport. My goal is to turn the car into something drivable again and maybe even restore a factory fresh condition. If you are new to my channel and want to be part of this journey, consider subscribing, and when doing so, please also ring the notification bell. As promised last time, I'm now going to start with the big cleanup. Therefore, I've prepared some rags and of course a brake cleaner. The idea is to wipe off the dust first and then use brake cleaner on the metal parts. I will start with this area underneath the windshield. Actually, the metal underneath all the dirt is in a quite good condition. Of course, there are adhesive residues here and there, which I will have to remove later, as well as rust inside of all the threads, and also here at the edges, this will be addressed as well. Up to the firewall. The firewall here on the right hand side really is in a perfect condition, except a few rusty spots here at the top. Underneath the car in the bell housing area, I removed some oil residues from the leaking engine or transmission. Yeah, and now up here to the left. On left hand side I found corrosion on both sides of this plate. It's glued onto the firewall, so this will turn out as an in-vehicle repair, as well as on one of the bolts that's holding the main harness connector in place. Up to the passenger side wheel well. Here again I'm satisfied with what I'm looking at. Hardly any corrosion at all, not even in the areas where the sheet metal was spot welded together, except one spot here, but this should be addressed easily. And of course, the one broken bolt that was connecting the cross member still has to be removed. Now up to the front cross member. I'm quite happy with this cross member as well, only minor rust here in the area of the spot welds and also around and underneath the bolt retaining brackets, but before removing those I will make sure that they are still available. The other side is okay as well, but there are 4 holes towards the front, 2 here and 2 on passenger side. It's obvious that water was intruding here and collecting at the bottom, so this area is heavily corroded inside, as well as here. Those areas are very hard to access, so I may just apply a rust converter and hope for the best. Finally, up to the driver's side wheel well. The situation here is exactly the same as on the opposite side, including the one broken and still stuck cross member bolt. That's it again for today. Next time I'm gonna attempt the nasty lower portion, which will require removing the subframe bolt retaining nuts. If you enjoyed today's video, you may wanna give it a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel. See you back next time. Goodbye.